This is a Mark IV Golf TDI, and this customer has owned this car from brand new, and in all fairness it's an extremely clean car, and we film what we call a week in shine, which is our day-to-day life of what we do, but now and then we do restorations and bit of projects and repair work and stuff like that, and this has failed its MOT on both sills and into the floor, so we thought we'd make this into its own little video. When this was bought new, the customer ticked every single box for every single extra. The Recaro seats, it's got the sat nav, it is a fully loaded car, and it's pretty clean in all fairness. It's got the usual wings starting to go, but if we got a set of wings on this car and the sill sorted, this car is going to be a very, very clean example. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get it in the garage now. I am Colin, this is Shineautomotive, we are a car project YouTube channel, and we do a week in shine. We're just car related. We recently hit 32,000 subscribers as well, which is wicked, and we have loads of stuff on the channel and loads coming up. As you can see in the background, there is lots of stuff that we get up to. So we'll get this in the garage and we'll stick it on a time lapse, and we will start hacking away and cutting everything off that is rotten. We've had a brand new set of sills sent out as well, which was next day delivery, which I'm well happy with that. Happy days. There's not a lot left of them from part of them sills. Being a one-owner car, we're going to have to do it. Right, so we have the golfing. Basically, the floor bit is rough. So what we need to do, first of all, I think, let's cut the sills off. Let's find some good steel to work with. We have some sills that have been delivered, which are down here. So we have these sills, so I'm going to just stick it on the time lapse. We'll investigate. Lewis and Matt have got all the interior out, so that's good. When I was on the two-post ramp, they nicely took me the wheel arch liners off as well. Right, so this floor section bit that I'm cutting now, John made at JW Fabrications, and I cannot find that bit of footage anywhere. So I'm just saying a big thank you to John that cut this like 2.5mm steel and cut a lovely angle in it and cut them just over 1 metre wide, and that was enough to scribe in to use as the floor section that was missing on the double skin pack. with all our fabrication work and body work and anything that requires us to use an abrasive product. We even use the second-hand ones for cleaning up bits on cars, like if there's a little bit of a scabby brake pipe and you just want to sand it down and put some grease on it. And so a massive thank you to Kevinsmith For that help us out on the channel massively. This stuff just saves us so much time and effort, because they're so much better than the cheaper other stuff that you can get on the market, which are garbage. I've tried these and I won't use anything else now. These are just unbelievable. You buy a cheap one, I don't know what makes they are because I don't use them anymore, but you'll use 3 to one of these. So there we go. Thank you very much, Kevinsmith For. We love you all. We really do. So this side is all ground back down. There. Right, so we've got this side all ground back. I'm just going to put some zinc primer on underneath, along there, and then we'll get a bit of filler on this bit and get this sanded down. So I'll put some zinc primer on, just like that. We'll let that dry, and then we'll get some filler on that bit. Very nice. So we're going to move on to the other side now. So we've got the floor section in place, all lovely seamed up. We've got a lovely man here making sure it's not setting on fire, aren't we, Lewis?
Yeah, it's only caught fire 4 times.
Has it caught fire?
No.
No.
I can only see one bit and it's there.
This is key. Yeah, it's double skinned in a lot of places, you see, so it's pretty good, but it's always key, isn't it, to have a fire spotter? Yes.
You got me feeling like a firebolt, high in the sky, looking like a thunderstorm, boy. Here we go, go. You're easy to remember, so hard to forget. Baby, it's a coward way you strut. How could I not worship every inch your feet have touched? Baby, run away with me. You kill it lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe.
This is where we put the brushable seam sealer.
That's what you need.
What's that?
You need someone who can do videos and answer his phone.
Yeah, that's it. I need somebody to do videos and answer the phone. So if you're watching this and you want to become part of our team, we're needing somebody to answer the phone and become a social media guru, because we're struggling to edit and make the videos. This brushable seam sealer just stop all the water ingress getting in across all your welds, and it makes it look a bit more fat, so you can iron it out a bit like that. I'll get him to do it because it's hard work doing it one-handed. And when you've got it brushed out, it'll look something like that. And then you've got a stone chip over it, but I'm probably going to let that dry and then go over it again just to tidy this up. So it looks a bit like that side. So yeah, very nice. The floor bit is pretty much done.
Make love in every way. Baby, run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes unsee all the crazy. You make my heart believe. Oh, baby, run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee all the crazy. You make my heart believe.
Right, so all the filler is sanded down on the sills, but before we stone chip the sills in grey, we're not doing it black because the grey, the lighter grey will blend in very well. We're going to drop it down, we're going to get the interior back in it, so then we're not running the risk of scuffing up the sill in the drying process. Because there's nothing worse than waiting for paint to dry. At least once it's all back together, that's all we're waiting for it to dry, and it can dry overnight, and then it can have a bit of a wash and a tidy up, and then it needs to be tracked up and then retested. So we've got it outside now. You can see how nice it looks now. Fresh set of sills on a car that is 2001. Pair of wings on it now, and it'll be pretty clean. That's tidied it right up. And how good do them sills look now? In the next one, this is coming in, and we're going to see how good the eBay wings are that you can buy pre-painted. And now we're going to stick it on the ramp. This one, we're going to do some sills on this, or maybe just one. We'll find out. We'll see you in the next one.